Hey and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to change displayed name on post on X. Open X application on your phone and tap your profile picture at the top left and go to your profile. Now at your profile page you want to find a button that says Edit Profile, press it and go to section with your name. So type whatever that you want, it could be text, emojis or even just a dot, and then when you are ready just tap Save button at the top right to save your new displayed name on X. So now whenever you post or reply on X, your new display name will show up above your username. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.